to proceed to continue to make people's lives worse. We're gonna Warhorn.
Why?
We're gonna drop this on good old vampire.
Ooh. Because I'm the target. Okay.
You killed him for your 2VP.
Yes, I appreciate that.
I'm gonna use my skill card. Can I take that, please?
I didn't even hit the discard. Come on. A new Dragon Bro has arrived.
And this space will now be wiped
Oof.
due to the
I needed
dragon.
my tokens.
Alright. Is that the end of your turn?
It can.